In 2025, knowing when to use two-pointers could be the difference between a six-figure salary and no salary. This LeetCode problem is just like the famous two-sum problem, except now the array is sorted. At first, you might think about using binary search because the array is sorted, but here we're looking for two numbers instead of one. When you see a sorted array and you need to find a pair, that's your sign to use a two-pointer approach. We start with two pointers on each ends of our array and compare the sum of those two numbers to our target. If that sum is greater than our target, we'll move our right pointer inwards to decrease our sum. But if it's less than our target, we'll move our left pointer inwards so that we can increase our sum. And if we continue this algorithm until our left and right pointers meet, we'll eventually find the two numbers that add up to our target in O of n time complexity and O of 1 space complexity. Let's hop into the code. Here we create our two pointers and we'll use a while loop to keep iterating until our two pointers meet. And here we keep track of the sum of our two pointers at each iteration. Then we check if that sum is equal to the target, and if it is, we'll return the indices of the current two pointers plus 1 to account for the one index that the solution expects. Otherwise, if our current sum is less than our target, we'll move our left pointer inwards. Or if our current sum is greater than our target, we'll move our right pointer inwards. And by the time our two pointers meet, if there was a solution, we would have already returned it. But if there wasn't a solution, we'll return -1 after we break out of our while loop. And if we run, it passed. Share this with a friend that also studies computer science and follow for more daily tech content.